Obamacare is everything but dead.
For whatever reason, you got me, I don't know why, Trump and his administration and the Republican leadership here want to make a bad situation even worse. You'll recall that last year they attempted to throw up to 32 million Americans off the health care they had. We were able to beat them back. But now, because of their continuous sabotage of the Affordable Care Act, what we are seeing is that insurance companies in state after state are coming in with huge rate increases. And that's going to mean either more money out of working people's pockets or people losing the insurance they have. Here in DC, 15% increase. Maryland, 29% increase. New York State, 24% increase. Rhode Island, 10%. Vermont, my own state, 9% increase. So what we are seeing, because of the Trump administration's deliberate attempt to destroy the Affordable Care Act, is insurance companies coming back with very, very large rate increases. Number two, and this is beyond belief, in the Affordable Care Act, and we can argue about the pluses and minuses of that act, finally, what we did is end this disgusting situation of denying people coverage because of pre-existing conditions. I mean, it is unbelievable that insurance companies could say to somebody, oh, you had cancer, you have diabetes, we cannot cover you for diabetes or for cancer. That is beyond belief. We managed to end that. But now the Trump administration, through the Department of Justice, is essentially supporting what Republican governors want in declaring that the Affordable Care Act, sections of it, is unconstitutional, which means, bottom line, that they want to get rid of the ban on denying coverage for pre-existing conditions. And how horrible is that? This is what I think we have got to do. For a start, we have got to stop short-term Trump's war on the Affordable Care Act. Too many people in this country have died, including children, because people have not been able to get coverage because they've had so-called pre-existing conditions. Number two, longer term. This is a fight that we have got to wage, and it's a fight that we are going to win. We are going to pass a Medicare for all single-payer program, which will guarantee health care to every man, woman, and child in this country as a right. This will be a significant financial benefit to working families all across this country, because once and for all, we're going to talk about health care as a right, not a privilege. We're going to lower the cost of prescription drugs. So we've got a lot of work in front of us, short-term and long-term. But this issue of healthcare is so enormously important that I just wanted to give you an overview as to what's going on right now in the Senate. Thank you all very much.